So a pleasant afternoon, everybody. It's already 5:03 in the afternoon. Okay, I'm sorry teacher wasn't able to meet you. When was that? Last Tuesday. Because the weather was not good here in the Philippines, especially here in my province. Okay, but gladly, electricity is already restored and there is no rain. So I am able to meet you now this afternoon. Okay. So what we are having today is it's reading comprehension class. So we will be continuing with the last article that we had. Okay, before we ended last time, I asked you to take a picture of it, especially the comprehension questions, okay, because we will be discussing that one today. If you can still remember, we had two stories last meeting. First, we have guitar and ballet, wherein um, the little girl in the story chose between what to do or what to pursue studying, whether to start playing the guitar or continue her ballet. Okay, lastly, we have the story giving. Okay, can you still recall about the story, the last story last time? Can you still recall about the story of Shari? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we have here the story. I mean, we have here a picture so that you can somehow recall what the story is about. Okay, so there is Shari and her mom. They are fixing or arranging her toys because there are too many toys in the room. Okay, they need to get rid of they get to get rid of the old ones so that there's a place for the incoming toys because Sari will be celebrating her what will Sari will be celebrating her what? Okay, Sari will be celebrating her birthday. So she's expecting to receive many gifts. That's why they need to declutter some of her toys. Okay, can you still remember where are they going to give the toys? They are, okay, where are they going to give the toys or the stuffed animals? Anyone? Okay, they are going to go. Okay, they're going to a house where there are small kids or children living in that one. Okay, they don't have homes. We call them as orphans. So So I was also able to discuss to you that the story teaches us to give and to share whatever we have. Okay, let's have let's read again the story so that we can recall what happens now. So I have how many kids do I have now? So I only have 12 kids. Okay, can I have first? Okay, hi Mariana.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I want you to read first the story. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone, while Mariana is reading, I also want you to read silently. Okay, go Mariana. Start with the title.
Giving. Shari was so excited for her birthday. She thought about the fun party she was going to have and the presents she would get. But her mom told her that she had to make room for new toys by choosing some old toys to give away. Shari was not happy. She locked all of her toys. Her mom sat Her mom sat down with her in front of her toy choice. They looked through the toys one at a time. Most of the toys Sari wanted to keep. Her mom put them in the keep pile. When they got about halfway through the toy box, Sari saw one stuffed animal that she had forgotten about. Oh, look at how cute he is. Keep him, please, she told her mom. Sari, you forgot about him. Are you sure you will really play with him again? What if you get a new stuffed animal that you like better? Mom asked. Well, now I remember him. I will play with him. That's fine, but there might be someone else out there who would love to have him. Some kids don't have any stuffed animals, said Mom. Sari said she would decide later. When they were finished there was a very large heap pile and some toys in the donut and maybe piles. Mom and Sari cleaned the maybe and donut toys, then put them in bags. They went to the place where kids lived who didn't have homes and asked the works if they could hand out toys. Seeing the kids' smiles made Sari so happy, and a lot of kids said this was the only toy they had. Sari turned to her mom and asked if they could get the maybe bag out of the car. The other kids needed those toys more than she did. Sari felt so brave that her choice made the other kids so happy.
Okay, good. Okay. Thanks, Mariana.
You're welcome.
So if you can notice, the story is quite long. Okay, so I'll be asking this time Honey to read. Honey,
Yes, miss.
okay. After one paragraph, I'll be asking you to stop because teacher will discuss the story. Okay?
Giving. Shari was so excited for her birthday. She told about the fun party she was going to have and the presents she would get. But her mom told her that she had to make room for new toys by choosing some old toys to give away.
Okay, let's end for a while. So who was very excited for her birthday? Who was very excited?
Sorry.
Shari.
Okay. So Sari is very excited for her upcoming birthday. And she was thinking of a fun, okay, she was thinking about the fun party. Aside from the party, what was she expecting or what was she excited about? Aside from the party, of course, it's a birthday celebration, so there will be a fun party. Aside from it, what was she excited about?
She won't get
Okay, come again, Catherine.
the presents she will get.
Okay, so when that's correct, Catherine. When we talk about presents, that refers to the gifts. Okay. So Shari was very excited of the many gifts that she will be receiving. Again, what do we mean by present? What do we mean by present? This means
Gift.
gifts. Okay. Same with Shari. If it's my birthday, I will be very excited if there are people who will be giving me gifts. Will you also feel that way, honey? Will you also be excited and happy if you receive many gifts?
Yes, Miss.
Hey, how about Catherine? Will you be very happy and excited, Catherine?
Yes, of course.
Of course, very good. So that's what we are going to feel. Okay. But okay, her mom or mother told her that she had to make room for new toys. Okay. There should be there should be a space for the new toys. So what should Shari do? So Shari should choose some old toys to give away. So there will be new toys. So what will happen? The old toys will be given away. For a while. Honey, please, please read.
Okay, Miss. Shari was not happy. She loved all of her toys. Her mom sat down with her in front of her toy chest. They looked through the toys one at a time. Most of the toys Shari wanted to keep. Her mom put them in the keep pile. When they got about halfway through the toy box, Shari saw one stuffed animal that she had forgotten about.
Okay. Everybody, this one is stuffed. Stuffed. Come again, honey.
Stuffed,
Okay. Stuffed animal. Yeah, this one forgotten. Forgotten.
forgotten.
So was Shari happy to know that her old toys will then, yes or no?
What means?
Happy when she knew that her old toys will be given away?
Not
Okay, no. Okay, that's right, honey. Shari was not happy. Okay, Shari was not happy. It's because she loved all her new toys. Okay, she loved all her toys. So most of the toys, Shari wanted to keep it. So they put it in the keep pile. Okay, so when they are about to finish or halfway through, Shari saw one stuffed animal that she had forgotten about. Hey, honey, continue.
he miss. Oh, look at how cute he is. Keep him, please, she told her mom.
Okay, continue here.
Harry, you forgot about him. Are you sure you will really play with him again? What if you get a new stuffed animal, stuffed animal that you like better? Mom asked. Well, now I remember him. I will play with him. That's
Okay,
fun.
for a while, honey.
Okay, miss.
So this is the stuffed animal that Shari saw and she wanted to keep it. Her mother was asking her, "Oh, are you really sure that you want to play with him again? Hey, what if you have a new or a better one?" Okay, then Shari said, "Well, now I remember him. I will play with him." Okay. Okay. So Shari said, "Oh, please keep my stuffed animal. I remember it. I will continue playing with him." Okay. Continue, honey.
Okay, miss. Well, now I remember him. I will play with him. That's fine, but there might be someone else out there who would love to have him. Some kids don't have any stuffed animals, said Mom. Shari said she would decide later.
Okay. So, Shari was telling her mom, "Please keep my stuffed animal. I will play with him. Okay, but the mother said, that's fine, but there might be someone else out there who would love to have him. Okay, so because some other kid doesn't have stuffed animals. Okay, then Shari said that she would decide later. Okay, last paragraph, honey.
Okay, Miss. When they were finished, there was a very large cake pile and some toys in the donate and maybe piles. Mom and Shari cleaned the maybe and donate toys, then put them in bags. They went to a place where kids live who didn't have homes and asked the workers if they could hand out toys. Seeing the kids smile made Shari so happy, and a lot of kids said this was the only toy they had. Shari turned to her mom and asked if they could get the maybe bag out of the car. The other kids needed toys more than she did. Shari felt so great that her choice made the other kids so happy.
Honey.
Yes, miss.
Okay. How are we going to read this one? This is needed. Come again.
Needed. Needed.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome, miss.
So when they are okay, they were already finished segregating the toys. After that one, where did oh, excuse me, is my voice lagging or I am what do you call that one? I am lagging. I am lagging, right? Because I can see my face. I lag. Then I stop. Is my voice okay, honey?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Teacher will be closing. I will be closing first my video for a while, okay? And then I will observe if I continue to lag. Okay. So when they are done, um, what do you call that one? When they are done segregating the toys, where did Mom and Shari go? Where did they go? They went into a
To,
anyone? I discussed this one a while ago. Where did they go?
to a place where kids live wouldn't have homes.
Yes, they went to a place where kids lived who didn't have homes. Okay. Shari was very happy. Why was she happy? Because she saw the kids smile. So Shari was happy to see how the kids smile. So a lot of kids said this was the only toy that they had because they are going to donate or to give those old toys to the orphan. Okay, so when Shari was touched by the gesture of the kids or when she saw how happy the kids are, she asked her mom to get the maybe bag. Okay. She said to her mom, Mama, can we get the other bag? Can we get the other bag? Okay. So that they can still share those toys with the children. So the other kids needed those toys more than she did. So Shari felt so great that her choice made the other kids happy. Did Shari made or make a beautiful choice or a good choice? Was it a good choice?
Good choice.
Yes, very good, Catherine. It is really a good choice. Why? Because Shari and her mom was able to help, or they were able to share their blessings to other people. Okay, although those are old toys, but still, the children can still play with it. Okay, before we go to the questions now, I will be asking two kids to read. Okay, I'll first have Josephine. Okay, Josephine,
Yes, miss.
how are you?
I'm fine, miss.
Okay, that's glad to hear. Okay, I want you to read the first page. After Josephine, Catherine will read the next page. Okay, go, Josephine. Everybody, please listen.
Okay, miss. Giving. Sherry was so excited for her birthday. She talked about the fun party she was going to have and the presents she would get. But her mom told her that she had to make room for new toys by choosing some old toys to give away. Sherry was not happy. She loved all of her toys. Her mom sat down with her in front of her toy chest. They looked through the toys one at a time. Most of the toys Sherry wanted to keep. Her mom put them in the keep pile. When they got about halfway through the toy box, Sherry saw one stuffed animal that she had forgotten about. Oh look at how cute he is. Keep him please, she told her mom. Sherry, you forgot about him.
Okay.
Are you sure you
Josephine,
will?
thank you.
Okay, miss, you're welcome.
Okay, thank you, Josephine, for reading it well. Catherine, please continue now.
Sherry, you forgot about him. Are you sure you will really play with him again? What if you get a new stuffed, stuffed animal that you like better? Mom asked. Well, now I remember him. I will play with him. That's fine, but there might be someone else out there who would love to have him. Some kids don't have any stuffed animals, said Mom. Sherry said she will decide later. When they were finished, there was a very large heap pile and some toys in the donut and maybe piles. Mom and Sherry went the maybe and donut toys, then put them in bags. They went to a place where kids live who didn't have homes and asked the workers if they could hand out toys. Seeing, seeing the kids' smiles made Sherry so happy, and a lot of kids said this was the only toy they had. Sherry turned to her mom and asked if they could get the maybe back out of the car. The other kids needed the toys more than she did. Sherry felt so great that her choice made the other kids so happy.
Yes, very good. Thank you also, Catherine.
Welcome, teacher.
So the story is a very interesting one, and you can really learn from it. You can really get a lesson from it. Okay? So let us move now to the comprehension question. Let me check. Okay. I still have 13 participants now. Okay, but it's okay. Other kids are not here. Okay, let us talk about Okay, the question. Okay, first, number one, we have, who are the characters in the story? Okay, who are the characters in the story? Okay, anyone who would like to answer, just raise your hand.
Daddy and Mom.
Very good. Okay, very good, Oliver. We only have Shari and Mom. Okay, we also have the children or the orphans, okay, at the house that they visited. Where did the story happen? Where does it happen?
At home.
Very good, Catherine. Aside from that, aside from at home, where do you think it happened? At the last part of the story, anybody?
At the
At
orphanage.
Yes, at the orphanage. That's good, Alfonso. It also happens at the place where the children live. Okay, good. Can you give me, aside from Alfonso and Catherine, who can give me the title of the story? That's very easy. What is the title of the story?
Giving.
Very good, Oliver. It is Giving. Where can we find the title? Where can we find the title? Is it at the bottom part? Is it at the middle of part of the story? Where can we find it? Everyone, Tristan, Aaron, Honey, Clara, where can we find the title? Okay, Catherine, you're raising your hand, Catherine.
Yes, teacher. The answer is in the beginning of the story.
Yes, exactly. The title is at the beginning of the story. Okay. Or we can also or we can also find a title at the top of the story. Okay, look at here. Here's the title, and we have here giving. Okay? When we say giving, it is sharing. Okay? Sharing to other people. Okay, what you have. Okay. So that's question number one. Yeah, we already answered that. Characters, we have Mom, Shari, and the other children. Now, what happens in the middle of the story? Okay, what happens in the middle of the story? Can anyone tell me what happened at the middle of the story? Or what can you remember from the story? Anything that happened in the story? Tristan, Aaron, Honey. Oh, Inda is finally here. Okay, Alfonso, you're raising your hand, Alfonso.
What happens in the middle of the story? It's when Sherry is looked at the toy that he was forgot.
Okay, then what happened to the toy that she almost forgot? You want to give it away?
No, she want to keep it.
Okay, then her mother was asking her that, oh, you already forgot about the toy. Are you really sure to play with it again? Then Shari, what did Shari reply? Saying, yes, mother, I will be playing with it again. Okay, so aside from that one, okay, um they were arranging the toys, right? And where did they go? Okay, here for number 4. Where did Shari and her mom go at the end of the story? Where did they go? Okay, I want other kids to answer, okay? Aside from Alfonso and Catherine, where did mother and Shari go? Did they go to the hospital? Did they go to the mall? To where? Yes? They go to a place or to a house where children who doesn't have homes or to an orphanage, just like what Alfonso said. Okay. So what changes about Shari during the story? Okay, what changes about Shari during this in the story? Can we say that Shari was sad in the story? Anyone? Was she sad? Tristan, Aaron?
No, she is happy.
Okay, why was she happy, Catherine? Why was she happy at the later part of the story? She's happy because
Because she seeing kids smile.
okay, because she saw how the other kids smile every time they receive a toy. So Shari was thinking these kids or these children deserve more, or they also deserve to receive toys and other gifts. Okay, so I hope um you all of you understand the story. Okay, that's the first one. We have giving. Okay, are we good now with giving, everyone? Are we good now?
Yay!
Okay, everybody give me a
Yes.
thumbs up, please, if we are good now. We are good now with giving. Okay, let's move now to another one. Okay, so
Not good.
okay, I will be closing giving now. Okay, so or let's have. Let me check first which one is longer. We have two choices for now. Okay, let's have this one. Let's have here. Alfonso, can you read what the title is?
The washing machine box.
Okay. Alfonso, can you read this word that I highlighted?
Washing machine.
Okay, washing machine. You have a washing machine at home, Alfonso?
Yes.
Okay. Who usually use the washing machine?
Used to wash clothes.
Who? Who?
Oh.
Who is using or who usually use the washing machine?
My mom.
Okay. It's usually our mother who use or do the washing of our clothes. Okay. Um. So aside from Alfonso, who else here have washing machines at home? Okay. Who else? Aaron, do you have a washing machine at home? Okay, very good. How about you, Tristan? Do you have this at home?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Mostly all of you have washing machines. How about Honey and Sundara? Does your mother use?
The washing machine.
Oh, hi, Mark. How are you? I haven't seen you for a while, Mark. Were you busy at school?
I was a bit forget because there was an exam.
Oh, okay.
And then I
Gladly.
forgot this.
You forgot about us.
Yes. Because of the exam.
Okay, but thankfully you are here already. Okay. Do you have
Yeah.
a washing machine? Washing machine. Do you have a washing machine at home, Mark?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Okay. So aside from washing machines, there are instances if you don't have, you're going to do it by hand. You're going to wash your clothes using your hand. Okay. But you know, if we have a washing machine at home, it's very easy for us to wash our clothes, to wash all our linens and other stuff. Okay.
Super easy to
Yeah.
use it than 1,000 years ago when there's have to do with manual ironing.
Okay. So Mark said it will be very easy and very convenient, especially for working mothers. Okay. So we will be
Okay.
reading it now. Can I have Tristan first to read?
Okay. The washing machine box. Sarah's family's washing machine stopped working, so her dad ordered a new one. It was going to be delivered on Saturday. When Saturday came, Sarah and her friend Emily sat in the front of yard waiting for the delivery. They were excited because they knew that they would get to play with the box. Big boxes are so much fun, said Sarah. Emily agreed and said we can make the box into whatever we want. Here comes the delivery truck, yelled Emily.
Okay, Tristan, what is this picture, Tristan?
Delivery truck.
Okay, and what?
It's
Okay, it's a delivery truck.
truck.
What
Delivery
will
truck.
be delivered to their house?
The washing
What?
machine.
Yes, the washing machine. Okay, who ordered the washing machine? Who ordered it?
That
Okay, it was the dad who ordered it. Why did the dad order the washing machine?
because the washing machine stopped working.
Okay, so they need a
Kind of
new
like
one.
us. Kind of like us. Our old washing machine it suddenly stopped function anymore.
Okay, so did your family buy a new one, Mark?
Yep, definitely.
Okay, right after that
I
one,
have a
you
question
already
though.
have, yes, Mark.
Why there's a place like a washing machine express? It's just it's there for wash your clothes. But what's the point? You can just use your washing machine. That doesn't make any sense.
Why is there? What's the question, Mark? Why is
Why is
there?
there a washing machine store to wash your clothes?
Oh, okay.
Why?
Because not all households have washing machines, so they need to deliver or let others, or especially not really a store, but it's a laundry shop, right? Do you
It
call
is
it a laundry
laundry.
shop? Oh yeah.
Yes, it's called laundry. But
Because they will be asking other people to do the laundry or to do the washing of their clothes. Maybe they don't have time.
maybe I see
Yeah.
that washing machine is much expensive than washing machine express.
Okay. So they don't have time, or maybe they don't have a washing machine at home. Okay, so maybe those are the reasons why they need to give it, or not give, but to deliver it to laundry shops. Okay, Mark? Okay.
Okay.
Tristan, let's continue reading, Tristan.
Okay. As soon as the washing machine was out of the box, Sarah and Emily took out some crayons and colored all over it. They turned into a pink, red, blue, and yellow clubhouse. It was their clubhouse for a while, and then it was a fancy car. After that, they cut out a square on one side and made it into a TV. They act out their favorite TV shows for the rest of Sarah's family. It was a fun day for everyone.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome.
Okay, so look at here. There are two men. Okay, two men now. Carrying
I think
carrying
it's
the
a I think it's
delivery boy.
a staff taking the washing machine.
Yeah, the
But
stop.
what washing machine is even that? Because washing machine never have that big. I mean, it's small. It's kind of like a rectangle.
Okay, maybe they need something big. Okay, the family needs something big. That's why
They
the
look like small
picture.
to this
Ah,
perspective.
oh, at your end it looks like small. Okay, it's just a representation anyway, Mark. Okay, okay. So look at here. They are carrying now the washing machine, but the two girls they are after with not with the washing machine, but with the box itself. Okay, because what they are going to do with the box? They are going to play with the box. Okay, so Emily, okay, they took out their crayon. Okay, they colored the box. Okay, colored it with pink, red, blue, and yellow clubhouse. Okay, after the while, they used the back and turned it into a TV where they cut it out. Okay, they acted out their favorite TV shows for the rest of Sarah's family. Okay, okay. So aside from Tristan, I will be asking other kids now to read. Okay, and
Why does it look like my experience?
your experience. Wow, that's interesting, Mark. It's your
Yep, I did. I want to play with the washing machine box, but this is the bad ending. Dad take the washing machine box, then put it in the trash. So,
Oh,
but I dream to make something.
okay. Maybe next time you are going to ask your daughter that you need that box for you to play or to do something. Okay, Enda, I want you to read Enda, then I'll be asking you to stop because I'll be asking questions for the whole class. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay,
The
for a while.
washing
Um, okay. Go Enda.
okay, miss. The washing machine box. Sarah's family's washing machine stopped working, so her dad ordered a new one. It was going to be delivered on Saturday. When Saturday came, Sarah and her friend Emily sat in the front yard waiting for the delivery. They were excited because they knew that they would get to play with the box. Big box are so much fun, said Sarah.
Okay,
Emily agreed,
Enda, for a while. How do you read this word?
excited.
Okay, it is excited. Okay. So, who ordered a new washing machine?
Her dad,
Eh, why does her dad need to order a new one?
because Sarah's family washing machine stopped working
Okay, when will it be delivered? When will
on
it be
Saturday.
delivered? Okay, on Saturday.
Saturday.
Okay. Who was with Sarah that day when Saturday came? Okay, this one is came, okay, not come. Who was with Sarah that day waiting for the delivery?
Her friend Emily,
Okay, so Sarah was with Emily that day. They were waiting for the delivery truck. Okay. And they were excited about what are they excited with? Okay, aside from Inda, what are they excited with? Emily and Sarah was excited with the,
Box.
okay, excited with the box because they are going to get it and they're going to get play with the box. Okay, continue in you're here now.
okay, miss. Emily agreed and said we can make the box into whatever we want. Here comes the delivery truck, yelled Emily.
Okay, who are the two girls in the story
Emily and Sarah
okay, what are they going to do with the box they're going to,
play with the box.
yes, we're going to play with the box. Okay, here, read now.
As soon as the washing machine was out of the box, Sarah and Emily took out some crayons and colored all over it. They turned it into a pink, red, blue, and yellow clubhouse. It was their clubhouse for a while, and then it was a fancy car. After that, they cut out a square on one side and made it into a TV. They act out their favorite TV shows for the rest at Sarah's family.
Inda, here. How to read this word?
Acted,
Okay, very good. Come again?
acted.
Yes. Inda, at first, what did they do with the box? At first,
The,
what
wash,
did they?
the washing machine was out of the box.
Yes. Then what did they do with it? At first.
Play with the box.
Okay, and they turned it into a clubhouse. Okay, that's the first thing that they do. They turn it into a clubhouse. Then it was colored pink, red, blue, and yellow clubhouse. Okay, after the
So be
clubhouse, it turned into a
fancy car.
yes, it turned into a fancy car. Okay, after the fancy car, what happened? They turned it into they made it into a
A TV.
yes, they made it into a TV. Okay, again, first they made a clubhouse. Okay, the clubhouse was colored pink, red, blue, and yellow. Okay, clubhouse, right? After the clubhouse, they turned it out into a fancy car. Okay, then after making or playing using the box into a fancy car, lastly they use it to make into a TV. Okay, imagine using it, making it into a TV. Okay, since it was turned into a TV, what did they do?
They
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 acted,
act like favorite TV shows like uh let's say that they watch cartoons, so they act like a cartoon.
Yes, exactly. Okay, if
And I
um
think it was their family watching.
yes, it looks like they are watching a movie or what do you call that one? A theater. Okay, because they are acting it out. So it was a fun day for everyone. Thank you, Inda.
you're welcome, miss.
Okay. So I'll be asking, oh, other kids are already here. So, okay. Alfonso, are you ready to read now?
Yes. The washing machine box. Sarah's family's washing machine stopped working, so her dad ordered a new one. It was going to be delivered on Saturday. When Saturday came, Sarah and her friend Emily sat in the front yard waiting for the delivery. They were excited because they knew that they would get to play with the box. Big boxes are so much fun, said Sarah. Emily agreed and said, "We can make the box into whatever we want." "Here comes the delivery truck!" yelled Emily. As soon as the washing machine was out of the box, Sarah and Emily took out some crayons and colored all over it. They turned it into a pink, red, blue, and yellow clubhouse. It was their clubhouse for a while, and then it was a fancy car. After that, they cut a square on one side and made it into a TV.
They acted out their favorite TV shows for the rest of Sarah's family. It was a fun day for everyone.
Very good. Okay, thank you for reading it well, Alfonso.
You're welcome.
Okay, I will still be asking one kid to read it. Okay, this time, I hope Shitya is ready now. How are you, Shitya?
I'm fine. How about you?
Thank you for asking. I'm doing good, Shitya. Okay, please read now.
The washing machine box. Sarah's family washing machine stopped working, so her dad ordered a new one. It was going to be delivered on Saturday. When Saturday came, Sarah and her friends from Emily sat in the front yard waiting for the delivery. They were excited because they knew that they would get to play with the box. Big boxes are so much fun, said Sarah. Emily agreed and sighed. We can make the box into whatever we want. Here comes the delivery truck, yelled Emily. As soon as the washing machine was out of the box, Sarah and Emily took out some crayon and colored all over it. They turned it into a pink, red, blue, and yellow clubhouse. It was their clubhouse for a while, and then it was a fancy car. After that, they cut out a square on one side and made it into a TV. They acted out their favorite TV. So for the rest of Sarah's family, it was a fun day for everyone.
Very good. Thank you, Shitya.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, so we have our second story here, the washing machine box. The washing machine box. Okay, so the characters in the story, we have Sarah's family, her dad. We also have Emily. We also have the delivery personnel here. Okay, we still have time. Let's discuss the questions. Okay, number one. Enda. Okay, not Enda now, not Enda. Can I have Catherine read question number one, Catherine?
What did Sarah's dad order?
Okay, who would like to answer that one? Or maybe Catherine would like to answer that. What did Sarah's dad order?
Sarah dad ordered the washing machine.
Yes, orders a washing machine. Very good, Catherine. Okay, question number two, Aaron, please read.
This means what will Sarah and Emily get to do with the box?
What would Sarah and Emily get to do with the box? Okay, I said that they made three things out of the box. What was the first one? They turned it into a
House club.
okay, a clubhouse. Aside from that one,
Car.
yes, a car. Very good. And the last one, Aaron,
A TV.
a TV. Very good. Can you say it again, Aaron?
A clubhouse. Car and a TV.
Very good. So there are many things that we can do out of that box. Very good. Thank you, Aaron.
You're welcome, Miss.
Not just 10. Mark, question number 3, Mark.
Number 3. What color did they use for the clubhouse? It's yellow. Blue?
Mm-hmm.
I need to see the text. Okay. Red, yellow, and pink. Pink is the worst.
Pink is not a worst color, Mark. It's for you. It's okay. Teacher understands. For you only. Okay, so we have pink, red, blue, yellow. Those are the colors of the clubhouse. Okay. Thank you, Mark. How about number 4? I just want you to read it, Mark. Read question number 4, Mark.
Okay, what is the last thing Sarah and Emily turned the box into? The TV. It's TV. They turned it to TV.
Very good. Okay, and after turning out into a TV, what did they do with it? Since it's a TV now, since it's a TV, what did they do? They act out, right? They act out or acted out their favorite TV shows. Okay, so it was a fun day. It was a fun day playing with the box. Okay, everyone. Mark said here, I'm planning to make something valuable out of the trash. Was it Mark? Oh, okay. I'm planning to make something valuable out of the trash. Okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
I'm planning to make something like ice cream stick. I try to make a helicopter, airplane.
Do you have a class? Do you have a class with teacher Mark after this?
I have a class before.
I think yes.
Okay, teacher Mark is
No. I think it's no because I think there's no chemical class. I think so.
Okay, I will just stop.
6
Okay,
p.m.
I will just stop if teacher Mark is still here. But allow me to show this one. Look at this one. What do you think?
Oh my
of
God,
this?
it's so cute.
Hey, it's a cow.
It's very
Kinda
cute.
cute.
So
You
cute.
know what? Yeah, this is a
Wait. The cow has right 4 eyes.
Huh?
Oh, look
The
at
cow has 4 eyes. Let me see back. Let me see it. There's 2.
this one is the
Oh,
nose.
okay.
The
Nose.
here, the nose.
they allow teacher to talk
What is
very
that?
slowly for a while.
Hello, my
You
name
know
is.
what? Okay. You know what? This material here
It's a plastic bottle, right? Plastic.
very good. It's a plastic bottle, and it's one
And then
of the
the eye thing. And then paper.
Yes.
Not papers, but these are foam papers.
Of
Okay,
foam paper.
we are turning.
There's a cardboard too. There's a cardboard.
That is a cow or a pig.
It's a cow, Aaron. This is not
It
a
doesn't
part.
look like cow. It looks like donkey.
It is a piece of wood.
Yeah. A wood. Wait. Stick ice cream wood, right?
No, it's really a piece of wood.
Piece of wood. But it looks like cardboard. But it looks like
We also
cardboard.
have this one. It's a candle holder, and these two are examples of turning trash into something.
Recycling.
Yeah, recycling.
I have an example too.
It's one way of recycling. Very good. This one is how do you call that one? We're going to put money inside. It's a piggy bank. It's a cow bank.
Look at this. Look at this.
Hey, we can do it.
Yes, you can also do it at home, okay?
Yes, I did.
You already have it. Okay?
I also made a pot from detergent.
Oh, wow. That's interesting, Alfonso. Hopefully next time teacher can see it, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so it's
I
already...
also made this. Look. Something like temple.
Oh, wow. Okay,
But
that's
it's on progress.
Okay, that's good, Mark.
Make
Okay,
this, right?
I also make an airplane, Boeing 777.
Oh.
Everybody
But
Teacher will
it's
stop
for
now,
school.
okay?
But it's for school to show it.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, Mark. I hope teacher can see it longer next time, okay? Everybody, thank you. I'll see you next time. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Already leave? No class?